Hi, I'm Whitney Bond. I am a food blogger at whitneybond.com and also Bowls of the New Plates. I have been blogging since 2011 and sharing my recipes with the world. When we bought our home in 2017, it was a 1970s gem. There was a lot of brown and a lot of shag carpet, an actual built-in bar in the ceiling, and outside definitely needed some love. And so over the last few years, we completely renovated the home, and the last piece de resistance was the backyard. We have a beautiful view of San Diego and Mission Bay, and so we really wanted to highlight that with a beautiful backyard to match the view. An outdoor kitchen project was always part of the plan for the backyard. Obviously, as a food blogger, I love to cook. And being in San Diego with beautiful weather year-round, being able to cook outside is something that we get to enjoy 365 days of the year. When I started designing the outdoor kitchen in my mind, I knew that I wanted something with space to be able to prep food as well as cook it outside, and be able to entertain my friends with plenty of space to hold crock pots full of dips and a Margaritaville machine to make margaritas. I knew that, a beverage center was in the future. I wasn't exactly sure what that looked like until I started researching more, but a big grill to feed all of my friends and family was something that was super important, and really the design started to come together when I started working with PIRCH. When I started designing my outdoor kitchen, I knew I had to have a really big grill, and I knew I wanted a side burner because I wanted to be able to make an entire meal outside without having to go back and forth, cooking something on the stove inside and then grilling something outside. And when I found out about the DCS side burner and griddle, that was a win for me because in my family, we love using a griddle to make our famous Oklahoma onion fried burgers. Prior to starting the whole outdoor remodel, I didn't know that much about building an outdoor kitchen. I knew that I wanted something that was covered, and I knew I wanted something with some countertop space, but honestly, most of what I knew was just that I wanted some really great high quality appliances, and the rest of it kind of came to fruition as I started planning it. When I began the process of designing the outdoor kitchen, I looked into all the different brands that were available for appliances, and I knew that I wanted to incorporate DCS appliances. They had everything I wanted, from a kegerator to the side burner griddle combo to a beautiful grill with a rotisserie with built-in lighting. I loved the high-end look of the appliances as well as their functionality. When I started designing the outdoor kitchen on my own, I knew that I was going to need some help. So I had visited the PIRCH showroom in UTC Mall several times over the last few years, drooling over the beautiful appliances. And I knew that that was someone that I wanted to work with immediately when I saw that they had the outdoor kitchen products available that I wanted. They obviously carry DCS, and then so many other brands that I became familiar with because of PIRCH, like Cosentino and Urban Bonfire. These were brands I would have never known about if it wasn't for PIRCH. So I knew that it was a fit for my outdoor kitchen immediately. PIRCH was incredibly helpful in selecting the brands to fulfill all of my outdoor kitchen needs. So I knew that I wanted the DCS appliances, but then PIRCH really helped to bring the other brands like Urban Bonfire and Cosentino up to the forefront for me to know that these were even options available. I didn't know that you could get these beautiful cabinets for an outdoor kitchen that would sustain living down by the beach and would have the functionality that an indoor kitchen does with different inserts, the pull-out trash and recycling, the pull-out drawers. They're so helpful, and PIRCH was so great about introducing me to all these options that I didn't even know I had available. Erica Hosking, my sales consultant at PIRCH, was so helpful in building out my dream kitchen. Everything from taking the measurements that I had at home and putting them into figuring out how we could maximize the space that I had available, to giving me all of the product details on both DCS, Urban Bonfire, and Cosentino, and the products that were available, as well as all the different functionality that I could add to really make it my own. The PIRCH installation team was amazing. George went above and beyond to make sure that everything was going to work. As with any construction project, which I've worked on a lot now on my house, it never goes exactly as planned. And so, especially when you're working with different contractors, we had a contractor build a wall behind our outdoor kitchen. And so when you're installing into an existing wall, an existing electrical and gas, then you sometimes have issues that come up. And George was able to fix all of those and make everything work, and was so lovely to work with. It was a great process. What I enjoyed most about working with PIRCH was their ability to help me take what I thought I wanted out of an outdoor kitchen and make it even better. I didn't even know some of these products were available. I would not have even thought about doing a waterfall countertop on the island, and that was a suggestion by Erica, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the way it flows, and it goes right into our pool. It's like a waterfall countertop right into the water, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I think the thing I enjoy most about my outdoor kitchen is really just how gorgeous it is. Everyone comments that my outdoor kitchen is nicer than their indoor kitchen. It really is. It's beautiful. I just love being out here, and every morning I walk out and I am so in love with it. And then obviously the functionality of it, just being able to cook all of my meals outside. Literally the first day that the grill was installed, I was out here grilling that night, and I think I've grilled a meal every day since. I would recommend PIRCH to any of my friends and family looking to do an outdoor kitchen project, or really any project. I'm looking at you guys next time I want to update my bathroom or kitchen. But the outdoor kitchen process has been wonderful. Everyone's been great to work with, whether it was an issue or just in the design process. They've been so responsive and wonderful to help me not only make a kitchen of my dreams outside, but even beyond my dreams, and make it custom to what I want.